Everyone is on their way to happiness, but one or other problem is hurting us. Everyone has hardships regardless of age, but no one understands hardships are not to paralyze but to correct and elevate us. After a Bollywood actor recently died of a visceral illness, depression has become a heated topic of discussion in society, and everyone has realized that with luxury and pomp, a man does not find happiness. True happiness is contentment and satisfaction of life. When we look the statistics, around 80,000 people commit suicide each and every year, and suicide is the second leading cause of death in 15 to 29 years old. The most common situation or life events which might cause suicidal thoughts are unemployment, financial problems, relationship breakups and remorse, rejection, death of loved one and all. My dear brothers, do you know about J.K. Rowling? She was so poor, without parents, alone, jobless, homeless, in such like a depressed circumstance itself. She survived everything. She is the first female novelist to become a billionaire. What's life without difficulties, crises and hurdles? We need to know something. Things will never work out as we planned because this is life, not a movie. Don't say that I am happy only if X, Y, Z occurs in my life. Having conditions, having rules to become happy will always ensure unhappiness. Secondly, we need to note that unhappiness and depression comes when we focus on what we don't have. We must be satisfied with what we have in our life. Comparison is the thief of joy. Finally, we must find happiness from our surrounding, our family, our friends, our teachers and our neighbors and all. We know to enjoy when we are happy, such like we need to know how to survive from the depression, from the sadness too. Kill depression with what you have from your happiness, otherwise it will kill you. You need to love yourself because that's who your rest of life is going with. And also the greatest asset is that you are unique and special. Please never ever blame anyone in your life because good people will give you happiness, bad people will give you experiences, worse people will give you lessons, and best people will give you memories.